Yes, you did say that, Honorable Nasir. You did. I did hear you clearly say it. So, Honorable Nasir, you did say it, but you can stand up and defend yourself, but you did say it.
I never said, and I wish to be on record, and the answer can as well be seen and can be heard. I never said that this country is going to have bloodshed. I said land has caused this country to have bloodshed. There is a difference between past tense and future tense and present tense. Simple English. I never said that this country is going. No, it is important. It is important, Honorable Duale, because someone has indicated that I want it to be clear that I have said, and I am on record, and I will say it again, that this country has had bloodshed because of land issues. It has had. We will not turn a blind eye on those matters. Now, unless you tell me otherwise, that this country has not seen bloodshed because of land issues, then tell me that I am mistaken there.
Okay, Honorable Nasir, you have clarified. Right next to you there, yes.
Thank you. The way I've been moving around looking for speakers and microphones reminds me why we are fighting for this as a coastal caucus. And the reason is very simple. We are the ones who have been hit the most. Let me tell you, the coastal people have the highest rate of squatters per acreage. Depending on the size of land that is there, Madam Speaker, till today, we have people who are living in land and later on are told that that land does not belong to them. Till today, Madam Speaker. So understand, when we are here to represent the people who elected us. And we are here to represent every single other person.
Okay.
And by the way, this does not apply just to the coastal people alone. Your voters are also looking at you.
Honorable Nasir, we are
looking at you on TV right now.
What is it, Honorable Nasir? What is it that you have information that Honorable Mlolwa himself cannot speak to? But
thank you, Chair. I think basically it's just to inform and forgive me, and I beg your indulgence, Chair, in this matter. But I think what the Chair was explaining is that the content of the amendment is the same. What varies is the numbering, and that could have been probably a typographical error. And it cannot be that you're caught hands down. As a matter of fact, then this should be a wake-up call that the committee was not ready if they thought that that clause was referring to other things altogether.
Well, you have actually come out okay, but somewhere along the line you have also, because the truth of the matter is, as I've indicated, that is, it's already in the order paper.
Yes.
We are only renumbering,
yes.
But that's not to say that the committee is not prepared. They have not said that at all.
No.
They have not said that at all. They have always been prepared on this particular one. So let's have a Honorable Nasir to move your own amendment.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I'd like us to be, as you rightfully put it, that we need to be a bit careful and not to get overly sentimental in these matters. But Chair, the clause 3, the reason why we need it to be deleted is so that the original clause can be maintained the way it is. This is an omnibus bill. And Chair, this one talks of Section 6 of the Registration Act 1, that for purposes of this act, the Commission, in consultation with national and county governments, may by order in the Gazette constitute an area or areas of land to be a land registration unit, and may at any time vary the limits of any such units. Now, what the bill has suggested is by totally alienating the county governments. By totally alienating the county governments, and what they have said is by deleting the words Commission in consultation with the national and county governments and substituting thereafter with the words Cabinet Secretary in consultation with the Commission. And this goes against the values of the Constitution. Whether we like it or not, the framers of this Constitution were very, very clear that the county governments have a role to play in terms of land. When we go to B, in subsection 5, by deleting the word Commission appearing immediately after the word by the and substituting therefore with the word Cabinet Secretary. This is, Chair, and I would wish my colleagues, really, when we look at the Constitution of Kenya, and when you look at Article 248,
Yes.
the way that the chair is going on, one misleading point will lead to another misleading point. And the way the chair is going on, if you look at 67(2), the functions of the National Land Commission are A, to manage public land on behalf of the national and county governments. Now, registration is included in that. And 67(2)A, to manage public land on behalf of the national and county governments. B, to recommend a national land policy to the national government.
Honorable Nasir. Honorable Nasir, I've taken away your mic because you should speak through me. Don't deal directly with the members. And I'm asking the membership also to please raise a point of order or intervention to speak. So let him complete what you're saying without prompting. Somebody else can raise that same issue without prompting.
Thank you. And as I was saying in my point of order, Madam Chair, the functions of the National Land Commission are to manage public land on behalf of the national and county governments. And first of all, if we are looking at it on the perspective that you are removing duties from the Commission to give them to the Cabinet Secretary, then it is only fair that you show me in the Constitution that the functions of the Cabinet Secretary are this, and that is the reason why you are removing those functions from.
I think your point is taken, Chair. Let Chair continue because that he has gotten your point.